Hi friends, now we have Zebronics motherboard and also i3 processor we have, and also we have 4 GB RAM. Now I will show you how to assemble this. First thing what we have to do is we need to unbox it. i3 processor. There is a processor is inside. This is the processor, i3 processor. First thing what we have to do is we need to open this slide, open this, and we will remove the cover, then open the processor. Before installing the processor, first we need to check the notch of the processor. This is the notch. Can you find it? This notch has to be assigned to this, it has to be set to this notch. Yes, processor is fixed. Processor is fixed. Now we are going to install the fan. Simply press this button to lock. Here they mentioned CPU fan. We need to connect it here. The fan and processor is fixed. Now this is the time to install the RAM. Insert the RAM and press it. It will lock. Yes, that's it. Okay, thank you.